There are 15 differences between Westerner and Asian. Firstly, about opinion. The Westerner usually talk to the point, but the Asian usually talk around the circle. Especially, opinions are different. Secondly, about way of life. The Westerner usually individually think of himself or herself, but the Asian usually enjoy laughing with family and friends, solving the problems, and know each other's the business. Next, about punctuality. The Westerner usually on time, but the Asian usually in time. Next, about contact. The Westerner usually contact to relate person only, but the Asian usually contact everyone, everywhere. Business very successful. Next, about anger. The Westerner usually show that I am angry, but the Asian usually I am hungry, but still smiling beware. Next, about queue when waiting. The Westerner usually queue in an orderly manner, but the Asian usually queuing. What's that? Next, about Sundays on the right road. The Westerner usually enjoy weekend relaxing peacefully, but the Asian usually enjoy weekend in crowded places like going to the mall. Next, about party. The Westerner usually only gather with a group, but the Asian usually focus on the one activity that is hearted by the CEO. Next, about in the restaurant. The Westerner usually talk softly and gently in the restaurant, but the Asian usually talk and laugh loudly like they are the restaurant. Next, about traveling. The Westerner usually love sightseeing and enjoy the scenery, but the Asian usually taking picture is the most important. Scenery is just for the background. Next, about handling a problem. The Westerner usually take any step to solve the problem, but the Asian usually try to avoid conflict and it can believe and share. Next, about 3 meals a day. The Westerner usually eats milk, but once a day is suffice. But the Asian usually at least 3 good meals a day. Next, about transportation. The Westerner usually before drove cars, now cycling for environmental protection. But the Asian usually before no money and rode a bike, no got money and drive a car. Next, about athletes in day-to-day life. The Westerner usually, when out, there is snow for companionship. But the Asian usually, when out, guarantee will not be lonely as long as willing to babysit grandkids. Finally, about the boss. The Westerner usually, the boss is part of the team, but the Asian usually, the boss is the fierce god.